Number 1, how do I practice pronunciation at home by myself? This is a very good question. The best thing about this question is that it's very easy to practice pronunciation at home by yourself, especially because you have access to this course, which will teach you the sounds of English. The first thing you should do is learn all of the sounds in this course, the sounds which are in the IPA. This means learn to make these sounds like a native speaker. To learn these sounds, you need to listen and practice by using your mouth. You should practice making every sound from the IPA every day. This will help your mouth get used to making these sounds. If you do this enough, it will start to feel very natural to make English sounds. After you have learned to make the sounds like a native speaker, start putting these sounds into words and pronouncing these words. Look up words in the dictionary and start pronouncing these words. After you feel comfortable pronouncing most words in English, it's time to start putting these words into sentences and seeing how native speakers speak naturally. To do this, you can listen to native speakers speaking to other native speakers. After you listen to these native speakers, you can copy them. Because you now know all of the sounds in English, you should be able to copy the native speakers and sound like a native speaker yourself. Please note that it's very important to be pronouncing these sounds correctly. Just because you're practicing every day, that doesn't mean you're going to get better if you're practicing incorrectly. In English, we have a saying which says, perfect practice makes perfect. This means if you practice making the sounds of English perfectly, you will be able to make the sounds of English perfectly. If you are practicing and you are saying the sounds incorrectly, this means you will be speaking incorrectly, and you don't want that. You want to be speaking English correctly from the start.